Hello everyone and welcome to the video today. This is Mark from Wicker Paradise and we're going to talk about how to fix a broken wicker reed. So you've got yourself some natural wicker furniture and sometimes it can break. You can have someone who kicks a piece or it just happens. Usually with the cheaper end furniture, this can happen more often, but it can happen with anyone. So the first thing is that most wicker repairs look harder than they actually are. You need two materials to get this going, and actually three. The first thing is you need to get the replacement wicker, and what you're going to do is to get that, you could search online for wicker material parts. And there will be people online that sell the wicker by a measurement piece. So you buy the wicker, and basically what you want to do is you want to get a stain of it to match what you have. You could get these wood stains on Amazon. They do have them where you can get them. And then you want a good set of glue. You could get good wood glue. You could use something like Gorilla Glue. You need those three materials. And then basically what you want to do is you need to soften the wicker. So you want to let it soak for a long time. Have it soak. Generally, hotter water is better because it makes it more pliable. So you want to let it soak, and then what you're going to be able to do is you're going to take the piece of wicker and follow the same under-over pattern. You're going to just study the area. As you can see right here, we're putting the under-over where it's missing, and you have it there. Then you will tuck the ends neatly together. And what you're going to want to do after that is you're going to want to glue and tuck the ends and let it fully dry and cure. You want to do that. You could always test a small sample and just to get the hang of things. But basically, wicker repair is easier than you would think. If you are having trouble with this, you can go on Home Advisor. You can find someone who is a handyman who will come and repair it. You just need to buy the actual material. So just doing a Google search for the wicker material is all you need. And then for the actual, then if you have, if you just can't get that going, they do have wicker repair stores. Or you could go for furniture repair because the people that do furniture repair know the ins and outs. They have the materials. If it's a harder piece, sometimes they might need to clamp it. They have everything. You might just need to get them the material. So as long as you buy them the material, they will be fine. But this is something where you can get it done and get it done at a good rate. You could do it yourself if you are handy. You just need those three parts. Definitely get the stain and test it on a small piece. They have stain charts online so you could get the color to be the same as what you have. They're called Mirawax pens. And they're just little touch-up pens. We use them all the time. You could just touch up the wicker that's missing, and you'll get it nice and ready. So these are your steps. You just need to take care of that, and you will be all set for your wicker repair and have your furniture just like brand new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know what you think, and I will talk to you next time. Take care.